Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to capture network traffic directly from your router running OpenWRT and save it as a PK file on your computer without taking up router disk space. Okay, so this is a great for monitoring or analyzing network activity without stressing your router storage. To get started, make sure you have OpenWRT installed on your router. Normally in your router OpenWRT is not installed. You have to update your firmware to OpenWRT. So what OpenWRT is, like open source firmware that comes with some extra functionality, like for example now we are doing capturing traffic. Okay, so normally in normal firmware they don't allow this. Okay, maybe some high-end router allows. Okay, so first of all you have to uh, connect it to your OpenWRT router. Okay, so this is your password, admin username and password. We will use this to access this server, OpenWRT server, from our computer. Okay, so you have to remember this username and password. Okay, so this is the OpenWRT interface. Okay, here is my computer connected like from Young Fahim. What it is IP? Its IPv4 address is like 192.168.1132. This is like private IP address, no problem. The next thing we need to do is like we need to install the PuTTY bitwise SS client. You need to go to this website putty.org. So then download bitwise SS client. Okay, so from here you can download okay, the SS installer. So basically what this software does is it helps us to establish connection between router and my computer. Basically in router there is like a small server running, like like it is a server, small server. To access the terminals of this OpenWRT server you need to have this kind of systems with SSH. So the SSH, what SSH does is like it creates a secure communication system between your Windows computers or whatever to the OpenWRT router. Okay, so I have already installed this. It is like simple setup, like you have to go to like some next this kind of stuff. Also after installing this you may need to like edit the environmental variables. Okay, like here edit the environment variables and add the path of your softwares. Okay, we will not go to this, it is simple stuff. Next you need to type bitwise SSH client. Okay, so sorry, bitwise SSH client. Okay, then it will open up. Okay, now first of all in the host name, the login option, in the host name you need to type the OpenWRT server's IP address, like in which IP address it is running. So currently in my case or any OpenWRT case it is like 192.168.1.1. and next thing is the port. Okay, so I will show you next thing. So go to the OpenWRT and like administrator. Okay, then SSH access. So here you have to make sure that interface is maybe unspecified, no need to specify. You have to have 22 port 22 here, password authentication and allow root logins and 7 apply. So what it does is it allows to communicate at OpenWRT router with the port 22. And basically in OpenWRT in your router the port 22 of your router is like open so that you can access. Okay, so next thing is like you need to put your username. In my case it was root. Okay, and then you need to password. Okay, and let's log in. Okay, so the password I am giving is like when you are accessing the your OpenWRT interface from the computers. Okay, you have to put your admin username and password, not the SSID username and password. Okay, so I'm giving my password. Okay, so it says authentication completed. Okay, now now go to the new terminal consoles and you can see I am in my router firmware directly. So this is my router's consoles in my computers, and also a SSH connection established between my computer and router. Okay, so we can do all of the steps, like for example I will check the disk. So it says that all the disk information of my router, you need to do is like you need to type opkg uh, open package management and update. So I will not update it because I have already updated it. Then you need to install tcpdump tcpdump. Okay, so I have already installed it. It is already installed. Okay, no, in your case it will take some times maybe. Then what I will do is I will install some more package. Okay, so basically this package will help to use my computer disk space and mount the disk space to the OpenWRT. So from OpenWRT we can write file directly to our computer. So in this case we need to also install some package and install kmod-fs-cifs. It is like says that your kmod this package is installed in root is up to date. Okay, basically I have already installed it, I don't have to install. Okay, so next thing is like we have to uh, create a folder in my computer. Okay, so let's go there. I choose like my my e-disk space. Okay, then create a new folder, name YouTube. Then I will go to the properties, open sharing and share, and it has you have to like everyone read and write permission and share. Okay, this is shared. Okay, done. Also in advanced sharing permissions. Okay, so administrator and everyone should be allowed. Okay, and close it. So next thing we need to write a huge command. Okay, first of all mount -t. I have a very slow keyboard. CIFS -o. Okay, then the username will be your computer username. So basically if you forget your username, normally you don't, you can go to the command who am I, type who am I, and press enter. In my case it is like chromium fahim backslash and dfit. Okay, so username is ch. You need to do double black slash. Okay, dfit, and I will give my password, which is in my case password for him, and space and 2 / and now we will need the IP address of my computer. Basically it was in my case what status overview, it was in my case 192.168.1.132, or you can check this from here also, ipconfig. Oh sorry, 192.168.1.132. Just copy it. Okay, go to the paste it here. Okay, then space, then you have to mention your shared folder name. In my case it was YouTube. Okay, YouTube. And then in your router wire you will like mount this disk. Okay, let's say SMB SHARE. So in your computer normally the SMB share is enabled. Okay, in every computer it is enabled, but if it is not enabled you may need to install some the SMB share permission. Okay, then space, then I will use tcpdump. No, sorry. Okay, so this is it. Now enter. So now it is completed. We can check this by entering df-h. Okay, so you can see that my this folder from my computer is mounted to the Wi-Fi router. So now I can like from router I can write anything to my computers in this disk, in this folder. Okay, so if I review this, so first of all you need to create a folder, and then you need to give sharing permission. Okay, from here. Okay, so make sure the everyone is selected, also like read and write permission is given for everyone. And also you may need to check this kind of things, like everyone and administration permission for everyone. Okay, all you need to do is like share. Okay, now next thing we did is like you have to have give you computer username. In my case it was Chromium Fahim \dfit, but we had to add another backslash so that like to ignore the character. There is like some character specific things. So then you need to give your password and space // your IP address, then / your folder name, and like in your OpenWRT in which section you will mount this folder. Okay, so this is it. So it is mounted on. Then we have checked using df-h, so it says it is mounted on MNT SMB share. Okay, so now we are all good to go. So next thing, as we have already installed the tcpdump, like I showed you, yes, I have shown you that I have to install opkg install tcpdump. So it is like opkg o package, like this means open package management for Linux based Unix system. Okay, so next thing I will do is I will capture network traffic from the router and write it on my computer. Okay, so you need to type tcp dump dash interface, so vr dash lin. So in like OpenWRT firmware we have to have this interface. Like this is the interface normally used to capture all the traffic. Okay, then I will say write uh, your mounted location SMB share. Okay, then your file name, let's say test.pcap file. Okay, so now it is saying that tcpdump listening on BRLAN being type en ethernet snapshot length this bytes, this amount of bytes. Okay, so what snapshot length tells us that the packet, what will be the packet maximum size, like which is like huge, so every packet will be captured. Now if I go to the YouTube, you can see the packet is capturing, and it is like not showing any values, but it is like capturing. So if we go to the open with Wireshark, okay, let's show this again. If we open it with Wireshark, then you can see that I have some packet is coming. Okay, then I can refresh, reload this, and I have some more packet. Okay, so now I will stop this using Control C, and it says that packet capture 10,797 packets received by the filter, 0 packet dropped by the kernel. And also if you go to your folder location, now you have like 5 MB Wireshark capture. Okay, the another thing is like you are not using any disk space here, like any disk space here is not using. All you are doing is writing in your computer, which is safer in this case. Okay, so this is all for the video. In the next video I will show you more interesting things on OpenWRT and like capturing all the traffic stuffs. So that's it. Goodbye.